guys, your RD aka RD Trades, and welcome back yet again to another video. This video I'm going to be explaining to you guys my RDM model and how you guys should trade it. There is a lot of strategies out there, a lot of confluences, and a lot of things that go into trading, but I'm going to break it down for you guys so you know what I look for and kind of like not exposing my strategy, but giving you guys what I actually look for in the market before I actually place a trade. There are multiple confluences and things that I look for, but you may hear this thing called PO3 a lot, and it's kind of similar. We're not looking for accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's not what we're looking for. But these three things I'm finna show you guys and explain in a second is what I look for in a textbook A+ entry. There are other tools that I do use, and I don't trade off solely these things, but these things, if I see them line up back to back to back, you're going to see me place a trade. So let's get straight into it. Let's go. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways you can trade my RDM model so you can see what to look for and to actually know how to trade it. Because like I said, there's many confluences, many strategies, many things that people look for in the market, but this RDM is going to be very beneficial. And if you don't believe me, I'll put my win rate up right here. This is my win rate if you don't believe me. So let's get straight into it. We get straight into the model. As you can see here, price made a down move here, made a downtrend here. And what did the market do? It filled the gap. So now with our RDM in our head, with our model in our head, we know what the price imbalance is. If we move up quickly, that shows a change in direction. So with this model, I can shoot for either all-time highs or the next drawn liquidity. So I enter long here. Targets are my draws and liquidity. Right? And we just let market play out. Let market do its thing. Yes, it kept bringing us down to break even. It have us in a little drawdown, but then eventually, what do we do? Bang, smack TP. So to basically explain to you guys what I'm looking for, to really put it in your heads. RDM PO3. First thing we look for is a liquidity sweep. If we don't see a liquidity sweep, there's no reason for us to enter because price is not having no real volume. It's not going in no direction for us. So the next thing we have to look for is a price imbalance. Can't spell chat. Imbalance. Basically, we're looking for where the market didn't correct itself or where there's high volume and a low range. Third and final thing I should say is a retracement back into our imbalance. A retracement back into our imbalance. Once we see those three things, then I am very confident in the trade and where the direction of it is going to go. So now let's get into our short example. So let's say TP smacked here, bang. Let's just delete this for a second, and then we see we have a liquidity sweep. With this RDM, I kid you not, this is not like the regular PO3 where you can either see the accumulation and then the distribution, then the manipulation, or you can see manipulation, distribution, then the accumulation, or the accumulation and distribution, then manipulation. It's not like that PO3. This RDM PO3 literally lines up to the T every time. So this is why I'm going to give you guys a strategy, because I want you guys to start building consistency. And once again, this is my win rate right here. So let's get back into it. So the first thing we see is liquidity sweep. Boom. What happens right after the liquidity sweep? We see price imbalances. We filled this imbalance. What do? We mark it out. What does price do after that? We see a retracement. Boom. And now I'm very confident in this position. And yes, stop losses is here, but we can honestly move stop losses to the nearest draw liquidity, and then our take profit to the nearest draw liquidity. And now we're sitting at a 2-0 risk to reward. Almost textbook. Not even almost, literally textbook. I cannot make this up. I cannot fabricate this. Please go back test this in the market and see for yourself. This is my model. This is the RDM model. And if you guys have any questions, literally any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. But that's gonna wrap up this video. If you're new here, it's your boy TAK RD Trades. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please let me know if you're confused on my model, because I will make a new video explaining it deeper. So please let me know. In the meantime, it's your boy TAK RD Trades, and yeah, catch you next one.